Okay, so now we have generated the idea and we have generated the script here, and we have used in level 11 labs to generate the audio. Okay, so what is the next thing to do now? Generate the B roll, which is the images, right? To do that, all we need to do is to copy our script. I will go to ChatGPT again. I've given you guys a prompt for that already. Okay, I've given you guys a prompt for that already. Okay, but let me show you that the principle works. I'm not going to be using that prompt. I'm just going to be talking to ChatGPT, and you see how everything works. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be doing now. Like, okay, I have a video. I have a video I am working on. I will give you the script, and you will help me with all the B-roll prompts to generate the images. Is that something you can do? Is that something you can do? Okay, let me we can decide which one you want. Okay, I want each image to tell the story. To tell the story, I want I want all images to tell the story from start to finish. Okay, let all let all of them be consistent. Okay, then I just paste it here. Okay, then I paste it. I paste the script now. Okay. Now what now you can say what visual style do you want the entire story? Is it cinematic or realism, documentary style, dark true crime, artistic, warning story? Like I don't want all that. I just want everything to. I don't know if I should do cinematic or okay. Let's do cinematic realism. Okay, let's do cinematic realism. Okay. So now let me just go copy the scripts, copy the story, then come back here and paste it here. Boom. And we'll have our entire script ready. Sorry, our entire bureau. Okay. So you can see now. This is it. 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 Okay. So now we can just copy them. Go to image effects. Go to landscape aspect ratio. Put it at portrait and paste the first prompt here and click on generate. And give it some time to generate. This number I want. Portrait. Let me make it two so that it will we can be generating two images at the same time. You get the point. So image effects. Let me see this one. Okay, so let me download this first image. Let me download this first image. Okay, I can paste it inside this part. Okay, then I go again, pick the second prompt, go to my Chrome. I don't know why I'm using two browsers. I don't really use it. All my things are inside Chrome. And image effects does not really store data. It just generate your stuff and give you. That's why I'm using it. Okay. Let me copy the third prompt so that we can be fast and go to the other one and paste it here. Paste it here. Portrait. Okay, this one I was generated. Okay, this one is I think this one is better. Click on it. This one that is smiling also. I click on it. Okay, then let me check this one if it has. Okay, I want the prompt. I need the prompt, not the image. Sorry, I need the prompt, not the image. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I need the prompt, not the image. I'm just trying to. I'm just curious. Let me see what image effects will give us. Okay, let me see. Come on, fast. Don't waste our time. You can see now. Are you seeing it now? I just described that scene now. You can see. And give us something nice. What do you think about this picture? Yeah, it gave us something nice. I love what it gave us. So that's another way to get your B roll again. So this part that says, which part now? This part that says, that we've generated the image for this one now, right? So that says we all live on our phone, right? Banking, chatting, password, everything. Okay. Now I'll now put an image of one image I want to generate now. I need and we are living. Then this the second paragraph says we all live on our phones, right? Banking, chatting. Okay. Let me just say picture. Okay. 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 A picture. Well, let me just say. Okay. Now be describing. I'll be describing the scene. Is this how this spell it? How this spelling scenes? Sorry, the scenes, and you will be giving me the image prompt. Okay. I think perfect. Okay. A picture. A picture of people using their phones in people using their phones, okay, um in a relaxed manner. Let me just use that. I don't know if it's right, but I just want a picture of people just using their phone, and stuff like that. Okay, that's it. So this is how these things are not magic. They're just it's as simple as that. You can be describing it to ChatGPT like the or to your image, your AI image generator, and it will be generating the images for you like this instead of telling ChatGPT what you want. And think this one is even more accurate. Like to some extent, it will do a better job. You can see now people just using their phone. This part that says, I'm trying to tell the story of this part that talks about um, we all live on our phone, right? Banking, chatting, password, everything. That is the part I just illustrated here now, and you can see it give us what we want. Do you get it now? Don't you like it? Give us what we want. We're all living with our phone. So I've generated that part also. So you can also use this as a supportive image with the one ChatGPT gave you. First, same password everywhere. One leak, everything is gone. Second, public Wi-Fi. Okay. Um. First, same password everywhere. Okay. Okay. Let me just put this one. A picture of someone putting in password in their phone to access the platform. Okay. So I can even go as far as generating images for banking. I need an image of someone trying to do bank transfer to illustrate the other part also. So this is how we do all these things. Okay, this is how we do all those things. So everything has to work with your mind. Your mind is the greatest asset. You can you can go as far as your mind when it comes to stuff like this. You can see now. Are you seeing what we are doing here now? Are you seeing what we are doing here now? Are you seeing it? It's as simple as that. Okay. Then the next one here, I want to generate. Sorry, this part. All these things. Second, public Wi-Fi, free. We're going to bring everything back to CapCut, and we put them together as usual. It's as simple as that, right? So if you now you can say I've reached ChatGPT, you have exhaust the limit, so I have to wait till 10, 50, 56. Okay, but if you don't want, just click on new chat and you can continue, but it will downgrade you to the lesser version of ChatGPT. That's just the difference. Okay. So in the next video, we're going to use CapCut to put everything together once again. Okay. So that's it. It's as simple as that.